When you think of Los Angeles, what comes to mind? What do you think of? Do you think of palm trees? Do you think of movie stars? Do you think of endless sunshine, of sunny days? The sun is always out? Or do you think of traffic, being stuck in traffic? Well, today we are talking about the city of Los Angeles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. Today, we're talking about a world famous city in the United States, Los Angeles. Los Angeles. When Los Angeles first became a city, became something, it was a Spanish settlement where Spanish settlers, the settlers stayed and created a settlement in the year 1781. And it was not called Los Angeles. No, it was called El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora, la Reina de Los Ángeles de Porciúncula. That's a long name. That does not fit on a postcard. Today, it's called Los Angeles. And at first, it was very, very small. But then people, they found gold. And later, they built railroads for trains to come to Los Angeles. And then came movies. All of that created the city today. The most important thing that created Los Angeles today was in the early 1900s. Early in 1910, 1920, filmmakers, people who made films, came to Los Angeles because of the sunshine and the good weather. It was a good place to film movies. And that is why Los Angeles today is the second biggest city in the United States. 4 million. 4 million people live in Los Angeles. And around Los Angeles, a total of 13 million people live in the metropolitan area. That's a lot of people. And why it is the second biggest city in the United States. And of course, with so many people, it's very diverse. Do you know how many languages, like English, Spanish, Chinese, how many are spoken in Los Angeles? Guess. Okay, the answer is 185 different languages are spoken in Los Angeles. What? It is extremely diverse. Los Angeles is very, very big economically as well. Los Angeles is a big economic hub. People can make a lot of money in LA through films like movies or TV shows. Also, of course, music. Of course, music is very big in LA, as well as fashion. And even technology. Los Angeles has a lot of offices downtown where people work, and big tech companies like Google and Amazon have offices in Los Angeles. They make a lot of money. And you can't forget about food. In Los Angeles, people love good food. Also, there is the Port of Los Angeles, where big ships transport from different places different items. And that, of course, makes a lot of money. But with all this money and all those people, 13 million, there's also a lot of traffic. LA, Los Angeles, LA is famous. People think of LA traffic when they think of LA. But out of all of this, the most important, of course, is the movies and the TV shows in Hollywood. Have you seen this sign? Well, originally in the 1920s, it was Hollywood Land. Hollywood Land. That's what the sign was. And it was for real estate, to sell houses. To sell houses in Hollywood Land. But today, it's about movies. And it is why LA is so important. Without Hollywood, there's no LA. And also, regarding Hollywood and music, there's the Walk of Fame. The Walk of Fame, where there's 2,700 stars on the ground where people walk, 2,700 stars with people's names written on the star. Different actors, comedians, singers have a star on the Walk of Fame. LA is very diverse. It has stars, it has big companies, it has people from around the world. But there's some bad things too. For example, the pollution. The air that you breathe is dirty. It's not clean, and it's not good to breathe. there's a lot of people, so it's very hard to drive. It takes a long time to drive in LA and get to where you're going. Also, people in LA are stressed and nervous because of all the people. Also, they're nervous because LA is expensive. To buy a house, it's very expensive. Or to rent, to pay every month, it's expensive. Also, because LA is very dry, there's not a lot of water, not a lot of rain that falls in LA. There are a lot of wildfires, fires around the city, which can be very dangerous. This summer in 2025, many people lost their house to fires in Los Angeles. So while LA is glamorous with movie stars and famous singers, there's some bad things as well. Why do people live in LA? Because LA is an idea of fame in Hollywood, opportunities in business, and people that want to become famous. LA is very important in the United States, and a lot of people love LA. I don't. It's okay, but I would not live in Los Angeles. Would you? Put it in the comments below. Would you live in LA? There are good things. I would live in LA for the food. But everything else, no. Tell me, what do you think? Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.